Hi, I'm Dr. Dhananjay Bhatt. I'm a neurosurgeon at Aster RV Hospital in Bangalore. Today I will be talking about Hirayama disease. This is a very rare disease which affects the cervical spine. It is usually seen in men in the young age and adolescent region. Typically these people are writing exams, they have to write and they develop and notice weakness of the hands. First in one hand and then in the other hand. This is a very slowly progressive disease and probably it affects the cervical spine. So typically what happens is they initially notice difficulty in holding objects, in writing, and then they are unable to take up their exams. For objects when they hold, they fall. Then they notice that their hands have become thin. And one typical feature of this disease is that whenever it is very cold, the weakness worsens. These people do not have any sensory loss, they do not have any problems in the legs, there is no difficulty in passing urine. Now this disease is supposed to be a slowly progressive disease which goes on for several years, and after around 5 years or 10 years it stops progressing. But by that time the hands have become totally weak and almost paralyzed and useless. Till now there was no proper treatment for this. Only thing was given was her cervical collar and then do exercises, etc. There were no medicines or anything. But however, over the last 10-15 years we have seen that when we do a particular type of surgery where we open the cervical spine and then we fix it, then we have seen very good results. See, what is the pathophysiology of this disease is not very clear. So it is thought that as people, when they bend their neck, because of excessive flexion of their neck, there is stretching of the spinal cord and that causes weakness in the hand. So when we operate, what we do is we remove a small disc in the neck area and then fix with plate and screws. So this brings about slight reduction in the ability to bend the neck. And this is supposed to protect the spinal cord. And hence weakness will stop progressing. So for following this surgery, we have seen a large number of patients who have improved, especially in their power, and the disease has stopped progressing. Now the time has come probably that people with Hirayama disease need not feel sad, need not feel lost or hopeless. Surgery is emerging up as a good option for managing these diseases. And many patients have improved, the power has improved, the bulk of the muscles have also improved. These diseases, what we have seen is that most of these patients are from the northern and the eastern sides of India, like West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, all young people in 18 to 25 years of age group who are just emerging and they want to go into the society and prove themselves, and then this disease strikes them. So overall, what we are finding as well as throughout the world is that this surgical procedure has shown to improve these diseases. Thank you.